because layout lezi azikwazi ukuzingela, zifuna ukusebenzisa ipower yokufaka abantu egamini so that zizokhona ukuzifila ngathi yinayo nje ze-out midid nje yabafana. So where art is going to be compromised, even the quality of art is compromised because le muntu akusi-actor natural. He cannot execute like a real actor.
Maybe he doesn't even care about
He doesn't. That's why yibo laba fika esetini babanikeza ama-attitude bayenzeni. And then you fire someone obeka yi-politician wafaila and then wayoba yi-podcaster. Then you are telling us ukuthi Mbuyiseni is better than uMac G. Let me tell you, Mac G have created jobs kunama-channel amaningi where young people, whether they are working on crew, whether there's a cameraman, there's a sound man, there's people who are earning something from Mac G.
What do we earn from EFF?
Yes. So there's no way you can come and tell us to make you ufundisa abantu ukuphuza utshwala while they were having a club lapayana with some of the EFF leadership Orlando and in other places. While he drinks alcohol, if alcohol is wrong, why does he drinks it? Emapatini where it is full of young people, aba confused kakhulu. Why are we going to worship nonsense all in the name of popularity just because of that guy is popular?
Welcome to the dopest show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing as usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. Do one story at the time and one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, press the notification bell, as well as comment. Otherwise, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much to those who are supporting the channel. We highly appreciate it. Using your data and watch these episodes, we highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. This today episode is sponsored by Sophia Networks. They help you if you wanna prepare for RE5 and RE1 exam pre-program. So if you wanna contact them, please, the banner is showing. Contact them and ask. If you wanna write RE5, just tell them, hey, I'm ready and I wanna do it. I know it's difficult, so this one also the Sophia Networks, they will prepare you to go there and gun blazing and you pass the test. So please make sure you contact them and get help on your RE5 and RE1. So yeah, go and do those exams. Contact them. They will get you on the road, and you're gonna get those RE. We now ube grand, ube underwriter. Yeah, you can get a job. He's a nice man. Yeah, underwriter.
You can work for any financial institution.
Nah, even at the bank.
Yeah, bank. Only RE. Bank, any financial institution you can. Only RE.
It's very nice. Unayo phela imali eholwa ngama underwriter, bro. It's like close to 100,000. Just say underwriter for auto general insurance, and you get more money.
Even claims, underwriter.
And afuneka ama underwriters.
Key individual.
Yeah. Underwriters laba wathi masiqeda ukwenza mina as a consultant mangiqeda ukwenza i-policy then ngithola bona kube yibaba abafanalize policy yami bangifundele the things and everything bebona ukuthi as a consultant ngenze right ngikhothi right ngenza everything. So yeah, this is a nice career to do and it's very short.
Wavuka kusasa sona.
Yeah, and you get to start like you get to a scale of 100,000. Yeah. So yeah, please contact them. The link is on the description as well as on the comment, and their numbers are showing at the banner. James, are we on grace, man?
Yeah, man. It's God's time.
Yeah,
Like it's God's time always.
yeah.
No mistake.
Yeah, kusebenza uNkulunkulu.
Yeah, into kaNkulunkulu.
Yeah, singama Christian dagrila.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Manje ngathi asidoubt.
Yakudala.
Asingama Christian la. Asingabazalwane.
Like congratulations.
uJesu Kristu inkosi la, bro. Uyabusa.
Hayi qhubekani bafana.
Asiyabonga.
So Christy inkosi.
Yes. Ya kumele simshumayeze uDagre yabo.
Hayi mina ngiyabonga bafethu ngifuna nje into ehlangane nemali yabo. Ehlangane noJesu hayi ngizayibona bafethu. Yeah.
Thatha uJesu,
Wathola nje umuntu strong nje shuma kushaya intshumayelo uphapha masohleli wona nje.
It makes sense.
Mina ngamane ngitholele course yale underwrite. Enginikeze le mali engiyifunayo.
Ayisokubeka emkhuleko wena. Sokubeka emkhuleko.
Yabona leyo ngisho ukuthi ngizwa ngani ukuthi kunemali.
Yeah, no, 100K son.
Yeah, and ayithatha isikhathi eside le kaJesu kunina abantu bathandaza.
Dagre, welcome to the show, man. Thank you so much for coming back. We highly appreciate it. But time, man. Mara angayithanda uthoka nje sebashumayela manje, bashumayela ama-gens. Ngiyabonga ukuthi bafethu seniyashumayela amakhona ama-gens manje nithatha uNkulunkulu. Yabona into enhle leyo. So yeah, siyabonga.
Yabona into abantu bayathandaza and abathola umvuzo.
Yes.
Abantu bathandaza no.
Osho so.
Understand.
All right.
Nabantu kahle nenhliziyo zabo nje ziyapha.
So how does one know abanye abantu ukuthi bona bathandaza right? Umthandazo right utholakala.
Oh sibone emosontweni. Ayinto ubona khona umuntu uyacutha ngoma Michael Jackson. Athi ukhuluma ngezwi bathi akuse ngomaphusa.
Yabo so uthandaza ro. So Dagre, welcome to the show. Let's talk about I know you're involved in art and I want us to talk about artists. They are dying broke. Gaten Mackenzie is your new minister. How's things, man?
Things are akunashintsho. Mithandazo yethu ayikakaphenduleki. Maybe you must take me there so that I get there. Yeah.
But do you think as South Africans, do we take art serious?
No, art is not being taken serious in this country on a serious note. Artists have been undermined. Artists are dying poor. Like bongabheka nje, yabona uqeda ukubala something, art doesn't even counted in careers or in what forms a career for a human being. So we are having a serious problem. So it's been put in a corner of entertainment. It's been regarded as an entertainment. But let me show you art what it is. In our traditional way of doing things, in everything that we do, there's a song that we sing. There's a traditional dance that we do. You understand? There's a certain way where houses are being built in Makaya. That's art. That's a form of art. So it's been part of art. Art. Black people, when they were fighting apartheid, they have more songs than weapons. We're singing against the system that oppressing our people. We didn't have guns. We were never gonna get, but majority of us were not arrested to have unlicensed firearms. Majority of black people, they were arrested to sing songs that are rejecting the system. So art was never been taken serious. So if you can check post-apartheid, then we started to have black ministers from your Ben Gubane, Leon Mchali, Pablo Jordan, Lulama Mklingwana, Paul Mashantile, Natim Tetwa, Zizikota, then the latest, which is Gaten Mackenzie. Those are our people that knows the struggle, that come from the Liberation Party, that knew what Miriam Makeba did, you know, because they listened to Miriam Makeba while they were in exile. Miriam Makeba was mobilizing the story of our people to the universe. Because in order for people to know what was happening outside the country, it was because of the songs that were sang by our people.
Bro, the sad part is that nowadays artists, they don't have money, they depend on donations. Our recent one is El Vovo.
Yeah.
They were donating for him, which is a good thing. But like, imapha artist ngadane iswa ngaba kahle abe nemali, or you have to be a favorite somewhere.
From go Baba Mahlathini, Baba Mahlathini donated. So it shows that there's something that is wrong, you know. Then you have these production companies, these music labels that are not paying artists, that are using artists as instruments to generate money, and then they take a lot of money, and then they leave artists with nothing. Beyond that, they still own the rights of the works of the artist. Beyond that, there's no royalties for artists. Your performance bill, amendment bill, even today is not yet been signed. The act that speaks to royalties of the artist, even today, it's not yet been signed. Under the black administration, where for me, if I was a president, part of creating job was to make that department a solid department, because majority of our people are artists, so that we know that these people, this is where and how they benefit. Number one, we are the ones that are raising the flag high of this country. Do you know the number of South African bands that are not popular in this country that goes overseas? Do you know ukuthi amapantsula intwana eshaya isipantsula zithora ukudlula abacelebrate la eSouth Africa daily? Do you know ukuthi ne-celebrity la eSouth Africa elingana passport, elingana visa, mara kunayo intwana zamapantsula art, esenza art? Because sometimes nokuconfuse le nto ye-art nobu-celebrate.
Bese ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi lento arts and culture le, because seemingly it looks as if like people who are fighting the system, njengabo le ministry le, are only ama-musician nama-actor. Bayangithola?
Yeah.
Ama-musician nama-actor abantu esibabona kakhulu, but like athi ngibuze wena Craig ukuthi manilwa le nto le arts and culture, nilwa vele because of ama-actor or ama-musicians, or nilwa yonke art as a whole? Ama-fine artists are included lapho?
Yeah, thina silwela art.
I-art nje in
Yeah,
general.
silwela art. All the disciplines
Fine
of art.
art,
Yeah, all
visual.
the disciplines of art. And thina asilwela izinto zihlangane ne-fame. Silwela art. Because I want to give this thing a proper definition. Namhlanje bayakhona ukuyolanda somebody that is popular on Instagram ukuthi azoba yi-actor and leave the real actor anganamsebenzi. So you're not fighting for those. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying? So kunama-artists, people who are passionate about art, who are jobless because they're not popular on Facebook, or because uyi-cherry mara ukuthi akavezi ace on Instagram, but she's talented. She cannot get jobs. Umsebenzi waloyo muntu uzoreplacewa i-cherry eba mapunapuna on Instagram, efunwa ama-producer, efunwa ama-director nama-writer ukuthi bazoba ne-close contact, because layout lezi azikwazi ukuzingela, zifuna ukusebenzisa ipower yokufaka abantu egamini so that zizokhona ukuzifila ngathi yinayo nje ze-out mididi nje yabafana. So where art is going to be compromised, even the quality of art is compromised, because le muntu akusi-actor naturally. He cannot execute like a real actor.
Maybe he doesn't even care about
He
it.
doesn't. That's why yibo laba fika esethi babanikeza ama-attitude, bayenzeni. And then as a result labantwana laba nale ntwana lezi zizibona ngathi zingama-artists. Now sekune conflict now. But let's come to the Department of Sports, Art and Culture. Uzwile ngibala amapantsula, ngibala amabhendi, ne-outi, ezithorayo, ezigrowayo, ezipaintayo, ezenzani. That money, it's supposed to subsidize those people, give those people a grant, a start. If ufuna ukusiqalela i-company yakho ye-visual art, Department of Sports, Art and Culture should be in a position to help you. If ni group of performers nifuna ukuzenzela amashoweni, Soweto Theatre, eMarket Theatre, emahholweni, emakasi, those people, they should fund you. So that's a Department of Sports, Art and Culture. So these people, a year, they get 6.8 billion.
Yeah, man.
Ilidliwe ku-FIFA.
Yeah, part of it.
A billion.
Billion. But bazokutshela ukuthi leyo mali le incane. Ngithi mina incane. It depends ukuthi i-budget ni allocator kuphi. Nithi incane beniqeda after seniqeda ukuyi-allocate ezintweni ezichuzwe yini ezingachuzwanga ama-artist. Why 6.8 billion ibancane bekumele iye kuma-artist? But bekumele ukuthi yenze izinto zenu ayikho ncane. Iyazenza izinto zenu. Iyila ngithi manje America. Yahambisa abantu eAmerica i-31 million. Bathi incane i-31 million. But that 31 million, it could national, it could have funded 31 art organizations, 1 million each.
Yabona lento eFIFA ngidina na ukuthi nje inabantu nje ababangazi babukela ibhola bahambile.
Yeah.
Yahambe ingane zosibanibani.
Yeah. So
Then bafranta ngomama Joy.
yeah, so this is so Abu 18 ifikile out with good intention, but actually giving ezilapha. Remember, U18, he's a politician. He came with 1% in this deal. 1% akayenze no Ramaphosa to GNU. Not good to be U18 Mackenzie, but umuntu beka passionate nge-art. Athi mina ngizoyenzelani. No, he was not that guy. He is not that guy. And naye angazithide lo mjida lona make as if he's concerned about the athletes and the artists of this country. He's not. He must remain a politician. Umashaya lo awuwi. Then we can deal with that thing. But now, who is failing us here, who doesn't respect us, is the person that appoints this politician. This politician wanna be. Remember, U18 uyafika kulento. Akusinto yakhe ukuba a politician. You understand? Umuntu osazama businessman. Tingisho kanjalo. Let me respect it that way.
Minds, yeah.
Yes. Then now a president, because ufuna that 1% ukuthi ahlale ku power, wenzani? Ugaya lo mjida who is clueless. I-department yama artist. Why ngamnikezanga correctional service because une experience asejele?
Yeah.
I was going there ukuthi why singathola umuntu wayi-artist noma oyi-artist abe kwi-Department of Arts and Culture.
Yeah.
Nanokuthi what you call like ngizwe this guy bekaSpan wife ngoba lo mlungu lo ngikhohle igama like athi, and it for me it made sense make it why sports arts and culture ingahlukanisi because sports on its own
It's
inento eyiningi the soccer
Yeah.
netball abanye bazikhohlile.
yeah, kube khona arts and culture.
Arts and culture
Yeah.
ayineyodwa
Yeah.
because nayo inama lentuzana amaningi. There's musicians, there's fine arts, there's what kube no minister wayo, kube no minister we sports kuphela akudile ngesports.
Yeah, but for me ekasi bongabheka kwamahlobo bobukela i-disc. Awuboni i-entertainment into anejivayo. I-disc awuliboni. Into eyi-one, i-creativity. You cannot separate it. You understand? For me, it is not a big deal ukuthi ibe i-department eyi-one. You understand? For me, I can operate it. You understand? But now the problem it's when you put people who are clueless. Then I was going where? U18 beba appoint. Uthole kune management at Department of Arts and Culture. People that they were there. Then
And doing nothing though.
yes. Then bayafika mele bamthathe to izinto ezenzakala eofficeini or ku department. Bambonise ukuthi yini and urelaya kubobani u18 to these people. Yes, and he believes that this information ayitholayo from these people is correct. Whether they are misleading or they are not misleading, he doesn't have a capacity to know what he need right, he need wrong at this point. Because akazi ukwenzakalani. The only thing ayenzayo was ipolitiki. Then bamfaka da. Then hlala eofisini na management yakho na abantu bakho. This is going to be your DG. This is going to be who. This is going to be who. This is going to be who. Then laba bamtshela kunama battles, internal battles within the department. Akazi u18. Then every minister, uba nale, what we call a legacy project. Unathi Mthethwa has a legacy project, or Paul Mashantile has a legacy project that they call SIFSA. It's an art organization. The problem is this organization, they get affiliated to politics. Politicians are influential in choosing who's working in the department, who's going to run that organization. Because mele badla ngithi nabo, bapusha ama-agenda abo. ANC, for the longest time, behlali appoint abantu be-ANC kule department le, kulama position. Bongabheka kulama position la we-Department of Art and Culture. It's can redeployment. Majority of people that works there, it's ANC people. Black people in particular, who never did anything actually before even Gaten Mackenzie, before we can even touch the Gaten Mackenzie. There's no visibility in the Department of Sports, Art and Culture guys. Yes, abantu abayazi, there's no visibility. And then now afike whoever minister uzofika lapho ufikela kulabantu lapho. Mara, who's going to take the bullet from the public? The minister, but who is misleading the minister? Is these people, your CFOs, your project your HODs, your DGs, you understand? All these people are people who cares about salary, not about the development of black society in particular.
Great. Nanokuthi mfethu yabona isport, i-arts and culture and sports badlala irole enkulu because intsha yethu ngaba yikho kuma-drugs like us kangaka.
Exactly.
They are not busy, they are not doing anything, so they entertain themselves ngama-drugs, utshwala. Sometimes we blame them, but sometimes we like, if bekunentade beyenza
Ingqondo inga-idle.
umuntu one-talent esoccer like us is like,
exactly. So
then
imali iphelela phi?
music, yeah.
Imali iphelela kulabantu laba nabangani babo. If mina ngiba is something, a board member of these institutions, yes, a Department of Sport and Culture or National Art Council or NFVF or National Heritage, then ngappointwe ANC. Angina clue or ngappointwe political party yami. Angina clue ngani ngi-art. The only thing engiyaziyo, because benza lama applications, there's what we call compliance. You need to have your SARS document, you need to have this, you need to have that, which is governance. You understand? So now they confuse governance with art. So in order with artist imali, they're gonna rely or harden these compliances. So phela manje recently akusakhulunywa art, sekukhulunywa some policy language within that space, some government, some political language ongayizwa. And then they also want to substitute talent with, because manje sekunabantu abahambayo bayofundela i-art ema-vets. Then when no talented kamampela ungafundelanga i-art, you will be made to feel less of a person and push you aside. So imagine khona intwana engayofundela ukudlala ibhola.
School of excellence.
Yeah, but laphayana awuyangi kuyofundiswa ibhola as ukuthi uyoqala ibhola because of uyalazi lapha sebayoguide ingqondo yakho la ku-art ke, because of why they don't want to deal with artists. Bafuna ukudila ngama-project abo abantu babo, abantu ababayenzile. We are artists, we are not the product of the system. We are expressing our views the way we want. We are free people, so there's no one that can control our narrative. Asina ownership. I cannot be fired for speaking. Mara, if ngisebenzela government, I can be fired for setting. Nama limitations. So now they try so hard. They've replaced art with a piece of paper. Njalo bebuza out. I mean, I've got a diploma in this and this and this and this art, trying to intimidate you. I know most talented motherfuckers on earth. You are not even talented. Then this is what is happening. And government, it's allowing these things. Then what do? they take a lot of money and pump into these white people institutions. White people are contributing. Do you know which market theatre get 50 million every year? Yeah. Was state theatre 72 million? Tax money.
Mara manje into engishaya le bantu laba ngadivi. Okay, I understand ukuthi ngabinika lento gating ukuthi it doesn't know anything about art, but kunye feel like ukuse because of ngendlela esoyichaza ngayo manje sengiyacabanga ukuthi la lokishini for instance ezikolweni there's no longer indaba ye-sports. I think that's where futhi as this ministry ingena khona. Ezikolweni ayisekho lento ye-sports futhi yabona i-sports if it's real nje ne-sports esila lokishini esidominate ibhola. Abo netball nani amantombazana
So look at it from the post apartheid. Why did these black ministers, the first thing is asamen so build stadium emakhasi, let's go build sports court emakhasi, let's go build swimming pools emakhasi, so that incosi zabodaki zizokhona ukucompete kuma Olympics. Why didn't they do that? In the post apartheid era, we only have one theater that they built for black community, Ile Soweto Theater, which is a white elephant also. It's controlled by Jewish people.
Even.
You understand? Under city of Joburg. How many people ukoyibukela izinto zeka so kunamakhwaya kwenziwa laphayana before mfethu before bayenza le theater liyana lezi zase hostel beshaya icathamini indlamu da kula amphitheater. They don't have access anymore amajita to do that thing. Because administration, they put administration to sideline the people, all in the name of compliance and all of that. But the problem is, even now, I'm an artist, they're advancing to be politicians. I'm saying, artist, mara, ngipuma from EFF. Sengizana nama views EFF in an art sector lo munye iPA. So if mina ngikhuluma ngo-18 ngabe ngi-EFF anya uzuyidefend uzuyidefend. So it's more division and more division and more division. But now what is needed in these spaces, like we have amakhotmane, like for instance kune Sawubona Music Jam. Why can't they fund that? Do you think these officials they don't know about that initiative?
They don't
That I'm a artist tapana, I'm a band original. Every Tuesday consistent yanetha against one. Kunemali akunamali. Those are artists. Akusama artist invoice la usikhuluma ngawo ase TV, then into ngizama ukukutshela akusama celebrate awabhukwa. Those artists are passionate about art. They go there and do their thing and practice art and do art. You understand? So ngithi why Department of Sports, Art and Culture, why National Art Council never funded Sawubona Music Jam? Why? Because it's not run by a white person. If it was run by a white person, it's somewhere immigrant, it was going to be funded.
It was going to be big.
Yeah, it was going to be big.
Sure.
So it's politics, it's selfish black people, can redeployment that is killing the art. We are dying for internal wars, positions. They are fighting even now for position inside because it's better salary. Why would they care about you? Why would they care about ukuthi ezone dimele kube ne stadium esiproper intwana zidlala ibhola ama 6 aside? Why would they care ukuthi kube nama rehearsal room, dance room, ibase, beka ama community walls wonke? They've turned into venues zamasonto instead of art places. Under black administration, akunama swimming pool where we know ukuthi abantwana bethu they stand a chance to go and compete kuma Olympics. Akunama resources, akuna equipment, there is no funding. Then what do you want kids to do if you are not building those things as parents? You are saying to these kids, they must go smoke drugs. They must go do crime. They must sit on internet and not do anything. This is what you are saying. And who is fucking up the system? It's black politicians.
As much as abantwana bagcwele ku-TikTok bajive ne bayenzani, and you can see there's a lot of kids
And that's art.
dance. That's art. Uyabona manje ukuthi there's a vast majority yeyintwana ezithanda art.
But there's not even a whole labangaphetrisa khona, then they do these things.
Asikaze
Isound
sathola
likhonektiwe lihleli
Yeah.
lapha igazi yakhiwe laphayana
ngabo 3
intwana
mabefika.
ziconnecta njengebluetooth. Why can't they create that environment for us? Because white people, this is what they did for themselves and for their communities. They've created those resources for the abantwana. Bungayi in a white community manje, it's different. Black government has a privilege and an opportunity and every power to transform our society. They don't want. Why? Because mele siba worship. Mele siba bona abo leadership. Abo honorables. You understand? Like, hey, what type of BS is this? What is happening? And we cannot confront them because we are brainwashed. Which is the good government is a guy that looks like you, who is black. We are not voting for good people. We are voting for black people, which is different. Then now we must start voting for good people, whether that person is white, pink, orange. Let's vote for right people who are going to serve our country. Black people are not willing to serve our country. They are serving their stomachs. Babhizi ney'ncosi ey'ncane zama-tattoo emididini. Zinambana ama-private party. Abayenzi fuck all. Then they come in the public and then they lie to you, mislead us. And then all that you see, it's politics, fighting each other, bayathathana basane emakhoti, insulting each other, exposing how dirty they are. White people, with all that they've done in apartheid, they never expose each other. Zangubona i-commission efana nabo Madlana, where it's only white people exposing each other. Look at what is happening, man. Black on black hate, it's a real story, Chance. And we're not going to go anywhere if we are not liberating our country. We are living in a country that consists of white people, colored, Indians, and we have friends, abangekho black, who are good people. So even the formation of governance must be formed out of those things, out of those elements, not because of the color of the skin. Bheka manje ama-politicians ayenzani? They are driving politics into tribalists. Okay, thina upusha in. uZuma upusha in.
Amazulu.
What is that? So mele silwe thina on the ground. Silwele nini ukuthi nidle kamnandi while nina nigadewa abantu. And then we keep on following these things. So no gating ke ongene ngaleyo nto leyo ngepolitiki, because that is what is pushing. Bongabheka manje, he put everybody ikhalati kuma position. Bakaqala ta akome maseken, there's a city they set there. Why? Because he's serving politics. He's not serving the nation. He's not serving the mandate of the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture. Because uthole kunjalo, the ANC that was leading that department before was doing the very same thing that he's doing. The next minister that is going to come after Gating is going to fail. You know why? Because that system is a failure. It's designed that way.
Nobody is willing to rescue.
Nobody is willing to
Even
rescue black people.
Nah.
Not rescue. Nobody is willing to rescue black people in particular.
We all know.
In 30 years of democracy, unemployment has doubled the number. In apartheid, you're getting arrested uthi umntana wakho akafundi. You're going to get into problem uthi umntana wakho akayanga esikolweni. Ama-clinic abo-nurse bebeze emakhaya umntana aqeda ukuzala ba-check umntana kenziwe. There were systems that were working. They destroy everything. It's all about them. Out emkonti ibar zamahotmane ecabanga ukuthi being a politician or abusing power, you should be feared. We want to respect people. We don't want to fear you. These ones sekumele ubasabe.
Because now it seems like jail is a school of politics. If you go to jail, you have connection. When you come back, you're going to be a politician.
Exactly. Akuna order. Then imele sikhonjwe abomalema ekhantrini yethu.
How do you feel about him?
That
pointing
guy,
every influencer.
Yeah, that guy, it's whether he ate a lot of halal. Yeah. Because there's no way he ignores the story of that young girl that was sabotaged by Khan, that was sabotaged by Johnson. Yeah, and all of those people for a political gambling. So now they gamble to the point ukuthi umntana bekathola umsebenzi ngama qualifications akhe ugcine as a court.
Yeah, but how can
And then
you
he
do that?
comes and say, yeah, Khan is my friend. What's the problem? Bin Khan is my friend. Just the other day, you know, who's this guy? The guy from, because unale umahebi tugenza ngathi abantu akabazi.
Nanokuthi
Then-
he act like that. He's not scared of anyone.
Yeah, magwala ke ayenza. Yeah, magwala ayenza. Amagwala ayenza kanjalo. I don't know, because we need to put this disclaimer, because ilento le uthi when we talk like this, because you know, being a fan, it's dangerous, guys. We're here last time discussing with it. In every matter, we need to teach people to apply their mind. What is really happening in our country? So even if that guy thinks he sounds right using the language that sounds right, but he's not right. Kuleya party leyana akekho omunye umuntu ongakhuluma nje for a change.
Yeah.
Akekho nje omunye umuntu ongafunda lesa uye kuphela, akuna secretary general laphayana. Who can compete with him there for that position? No one. But asikho lapho, because those are internal things. But ngifuna ukubonisa something ngale out le. Ne? And remember, I keep on saying this guy is a liar. And he is a liar. Why ngithi uyi liar? Today, he's got everything against Madlanga Commission. Today, he has everything against General Mkhwanazi. Why? Because uchache la adla khona. Akanandaba ukuthi these people are destroying black people's life. Remember, these Indian people, if you look at this system, they are against every black cop and everybody that sits in these positions. That young girl is dying to sit in a position where they want their people, these Indians. It's only them that they are correct. It doesn't come that after the conference press conference yakhe la fika wabhesha abo McG, wabhesha abo Penwell, and then wancoma this politician yena waqoshwa ubani umbuyiseni Ndlozi. You fire someone obeka yi politician wafaila, and then wayoba
I
podcaster. Then you are telling us ukuthi umbuyiseni is better than uMcG. Let me tell you, McG have created jobs unama channel amaningi where young people, whether they are working on crew, whether there's a cameraman, there's a sound man, there's people who are earning something from McG.
What do we earn from EFF?
Yes. So there's no way you can come and tell us which makes you ufundisa abantu uphuza utshwala, while they were having a club laphayana with some of the EFF leadership in Orlando and in other places. While he drinks alcohol, if alcohol is wrong, why does he drinks it emapatini where it is full of young people aba confused kakhulu? Why are we going to worship nonsense all in the name of popularity just because of that guy is popular? So there's something wrong.
It's crashing out. Truly.
There's something wrong. And now we're sitting and when we're listening, abakakhulumi next ngayo kuMadlanga. They must stop calling my name. So if your name appears, they didn't just sit there. Now you make as if abantu bane problem now. There's nobody that is problem. It's an evidence that is been read. Your name is there. Ufunakala amagama wamatenda wama-companies wabangani bakho or wabantwana bakini or whoever, they are there.
He thought maybe this time won't come and he would get away with this because he was worried. Ask him, Mkhwana, do
Ku-VPS
you retrieve?
messages.
He was really worried, bro. It was my first time seeing this guy worried. I was like, look what Mkhwana is like.
Bekabuza uKhan ukuthi is it true Khan. You know, ku-VPS igama lakhe lalikhona. Ku-VPS. Because wafuna le style of character assassinating people in public. Because that's his politics. Ungene kanjalo character assassinate uThabo Mbeki, character assassinating uJacob Zuma, say everything bad. Then we yena ngaye boqala bathi hey uthatha bo bankhenu kunene uzoba semakhoti. But yena he can say anything about anybody. You know, there's something that I disliked what he said when he trying to refer to MacG. So he's saying, what is that thing? What do they call that thing? MacG, you can't call that thing a thing. It's a bread of a black brother that is feeding other black people.
Bro,
you understand?
I noticed him so many things. He got this thing of undermining people
Yeah.
and treating people like a thing.
Yeah, it's when you nobody. Another tendency of there's this example. There was a guy that was a slave, and then he got free and he got rich. He went and bought 12 slaves. This guy who abuse kakhulu is these people undermine abangamboni. He doesn't come from there. Now he want to be felt. Yeah, understand? Now he is abusing power with all that he has. But you can see Guti, he's selective in what he want to address. Kule press conference yakhe, he's concerned about correcting why he called that woman Winnie Mandela. Why he called Khan this and that and that. And then he wants to justify and say, yeah, Patty, even other people they say this, they say that. It's not about other people. It's not about other people. It's about you
as a leader.
Can you once as a leader take accountability? And then instead of saying, I see what Johnson, I was not aware what Johnson did to that young black woman.
Bro, he doesn't care.
Then you go on with your business. Now we must do this because we are untouchable. They cannot touch us. There's nobody who can talk to me like I'm a boy. We are a boy. How must we talk to you like a girl? So we don't know whether what you are trying to say, you are above the law. Even if you know indaba zamanye politicians, dila ngazo internal in your corridors, but once you start coming out and display this attitude of saying, nami ngazi indaba zenu, then yes, Kenya right England. You understand? So you have out nje ekhulele lokishini engathandi nomalume wayo izodefendana no Julius Malema. Are you sick in the head? Like I was one nabantu baseKansla, you are not doing anything. You don't know even this guy. Even if this guy can stand in front of you, he won't see you as anybody. But you out there because of you thinking politics about Chiefs the Pirates who favor. No, we are not favoring. When it comes to politicians, we must know politicians is to transform the lives of our people.
Which they don't do it. Because, man, this is like, to me, this is like Animal Farm. Some animals are just bigger than others. This guy was supposed to be in jail. But I don't know why he's outside in this 5-year gun thing. Is like,
yes.
But he's still outside. If it was me, a normal
you'll
guy,
be arrested.
That's what I'm saying. It's
same note, there was another politician and other people that were made the same thing, shooting outside, and then he was the one that was saying they must get arrested. They must get arrested. Like, now, this guy, why are we giving this person so much power to think he's God? It's untouchable. There's nobody who can do anything. Get into a political party. I'm holding your party with the balls. You understand? It's like, accounting. You see, when a person doesn't speak from a point of wisdom, he speaks from the point of financial power, you become dangerous. Julius Malema is speaking from the point of financial power, which you understand? Instead of doing what the mandate Abela Kokangayo, go around and transform all these sheikhs, places at Melenzagal, then awakhela abantu ama-4-room ngale malangana asala broke and start again and hustle.
The party is close to 10 years, EFF.
13.
13.
Yes.
Right? So, yini into asekayenze? Like, yini into angayikhomba thi mina as EFF usenze lokhu. It's crazy, man. For 13 years.
Very crazy. Ukuwayesho nalento nakulax. Ulax ukhuluma nga who's that? Bandlo. Njengoba usho unalento yoku-undermine. But really, who is Julius Malema? Because we are on the streets, we are tough, we are black people, we can get where he is at any given time. He doesn't know who are
and
the
in a
next
right
thing.
way.
Yeah, he doesn't know who is he's not God. He's not going to stop anybody from becoming anything. And it's not going, and if the government of this country, it's going to allow Julius Malema to make this country ungovernable, unlawfully, then you should not expect anybody to be lawful or governable. If akaboshwa bekayenza izinto okhuluma noma yini nabantu abadala utshela abantu abadala ukuthi unamakhanda amakhulu bese athi ubela jajana nabo MacG for having alcohol in their podcast. He was
a black man trying.
Exactly.
Bro. These guys are trying. They're not committing crime. Penwell is not committing crime. He did mistakes and the account.
And he went personal on Penwell. You understand? You went very personal on Penwell. So as a leader, where are you teaching abantu abakuphathi yakho ukuthi if abantu bongabathandi, you must go personal on them. It's a personal attack.
This guy, bro, he acknowledged that he have kids and he's taking care of them. He's trying, bro. He's a black man. He's trying.
Penwell ukhuluma lento ayikhulumile ngaye and which une right as a podcaster.
Bro,
he's a journalist. MacG has a right to afunde leya manifesto. Yeah, what's wrong?
He just wrote
what's
that
wrong?
thing.
What's wrong with that? So are you going to bully people? So what are we saying? We're saying we must have this guy bullying young black creatives.
Imagine saying he's wearing flip-flop.
Yeah.
A leader, bro.
Yeah. So what's wrong with flip-flop?
Because when you're wearing Gucci's,
yeah. So
nice.
What's wrong? What's wrong with wearing flip-flops? Wear flip-flops, but only 15 million in his account.
And he's doing well. He's employing our brothers.
So what's wrong? What's wrong with that? What's wrong? He has made himself a name. You understand? Not by misleading black people or anybody, as he's alluding with this thing of alcohol. Rightfully so. These young boys, they've made themselves a name in this country. And then nobody's going to take that away from them.
I feel like if like a black person made it without a system, they feel bad because they can't touch that person. They can't control it.
Yeah.
If you do it genuinely and you get out and you get out your things together, they feel bad.
That is culture of when black people are getting rich, they want to be worshipped. It's wrong. It's wrong. You know, I've seen money. My life. I have money, but I have cars. I even forget that I have those things because they don't matter to me. I can walk as well. I can walk from Pique. I can do this in Ploma. Why? Because I don't want my reality of being a black person that come from a class being taken away by delusions, by illusions, by perceptions. I don't want to be looked at this way. I want to be felt like yimi lo. So ngama now nge 10 million kaso ngishayela ibhiya yami siye senze into zethu sharp Plomela kube mnandi then sharp skawunti ekawula amajensi angijayazi life yamajensi bekumnandi wena kumnandi mina. Sharp kufunakalana uthini, but the most important thing is to empower you to have knowledge to achieve what you want to achieve, not to glorify what I have. These black politicians, they want to be glorified. Instead of coming back, bazoyenza amafeme emakasi where young black people can operate and do serious things. Kunama-Pakistan namhlanje emakasi. Instead of ukuthi bayenza izinto ezi-right, bayenza ukuthi i-Paza shop must be a project, ngathi some sort of doing a favor and all of those things. Abantu bayagula emakhanda. Like, this is really, really madness. But let me tell you something. If it was administration of white people that was sitting now doing these things that this black government is doing to us, what were we going to do? We're going to ban white people. They are oppressing us. We're going to play a race card on them. We were taught to be hypocrites, but we are not even aware that we are hypocrites anymore.
Man, I was thinking like, oh, it's just crazy. That I was like, if Malema was a white person, we're gonna say, hey, this guy is racist.
Exactly. But you know, that guy, he must know, and even those that are following him, it's not a crime to love somebody, you know. But true love is to hold those that you love accountable. But if there's none of the people that are surrounded out, or about even the followers of EFF who can't hold him accountable and say, you must be moved from this position, you're killing our party, then they don't love him. If he's continuing with this type of a mindset, Julius Malema is a gimmick. He say right things to people that you want to hear, like abafundis. And then but he donate. Give me that 10%, but be rich. You see the concept of Semaswentweni?
Yeah.
It's a very same concept that political parties are doing or politicians are doing. Say right things, yeah, black power, employment, this and that, and then bakhuphuka. Abophakela umthakathi abongizwe bakhuphuka sikhulumile lena, and then ekugcineni because of intention was not right, but it sounded right at that time. Yeah. Then after leyo, what happened? They get money, they get popularity, they get everything, and then bahlalelele. Then the situation remains. I've said it that time. Then, but it's our responsibility to reject these things and vet them as they happen. Don't come here and play with our pain and our struggle. This is not a joke.
So you're saying you're saying Guti, as a society, we have a tendency of just following abantu just because they're a big mouth.
They sound right.
Yeah, and it's not because of they are popular. That's just, ngenze example not because of us disrespecting that young brother from Limpopo. You ungavuka nje but you ube famous. Ujayenza into engekho. You understand? Like thandi popularity, thandi izinto ezingana meaning, thandi izinto ezingana accountability. We don't want reality. They are pushing us to be individuals so that they can continue to steal, lie, loot, and then continue to keep us where they want us to be. There's no accountability from them. All that they do, they fight among themselves. It's DA, ANC, it's EFF. They're not talking there, but using us as a weapon. Balwa ngathi thina singasi disable mentally, we cannot decide our future where we want to be. Kusasa if kuba nesinye isifo president choose ukuvala ikhantri ezoyivala as-consultwa in anything. Look at iy'kolo zaselokishini. Mhlawumbe una 30 years uqede primary, go to that primary, that classroom is still the same. uCyril Ramaphosa a campaign la waya kwesinye isikolo bekafunda kuso mfethu eshawela sinjani asangabe namahloni namhlanje akanamahloni ukuthi no man kufunda ipresident lana man. The scholar lesi must look like those those multiracial schools. I respect white people.
Yeah.
For one thing, they take care of their own. Not because of their right people, but when it's come to collectively, babe nama resources, infrastructure, baspane, bayenzen, that they do for themselves. Laba bethu, they take us. They can take batinayi 10,000 melize kithi ne siyiqri kanje. aphethe 150 million thina mina sithola le 10,000 angeke ifike kithi,
masinenhlahla ngafama 100 rand.
angeke izifike. No, uzofuna angeke izifike kithi.
As I was shocked, mokhuluma ngekolo, I was shocked. Ngisefin Cape bangibonisa primary kaMandela, la kuMandela.
Bekafunda khona.
La bekafunda khona. It looked like a ghost.
Mara yena istrati sakhe bese siya kwakhe laphayana wasiyenza.
Yeah.
uJacob Zuma la hlala khona mongabheka ikolo ziyabheda, mara yena la hlala khona ipalace. What type of people are these? Are we here to khapha abanye abantu to live luxury life? Because it seems like black politicians, it's about making other people to live a luxury life. All in the name of they say they are standing for us. It doesn't matter what they say. Yes, it sounds right. Julius Malema developed this attitude from where he comes from the ANC. These things are not real. There's a clip where Chris Hani says, into abafuna ukuyenza, bafuna ukutya kuphela, kutye bona badrive ama BMWs. This is what is happening now.
That's why he was killed. Washo ukuthi abantu uthi bona bahambile ba exam babuya abantu bathola abantu bahlala emaHouthini.
Exactly.
Badrive ama BM.
Yeah, bakhuluma esinye isilungu, bakhuluma into ezi different.
Ngezwe nelinye ithama alikhala beli ku MK. Konje bani mbeka baphethe? What ngudisi?
Yes.
Beka ku ANC aphatha ama MK. Ngabheka igeneral yabo. Bathi le yankana kathi le yafika yathi tools down, arms down.
Khazoganga.
Yeah, se negotiated baqede ne-apartheid government. NoMandela wathi hayi, arms down. Asilahleni ipha. Le time le malixoxa sasimangele zama MK members uthawu kanjani. Sekumele silahle ibhamu sibuyele ekhaya. Wathi yana amebefika ngami belenda ngayi eMzansi athola vele naye lo muntu wakhona sekayihlela imali uhlale kudaba story wenzani. Yabo manje yabona nje.
Sekuphelile.
Sekuphelile.
Beka lama politicians ase South Africa mfethu ukuthi agadwe kanjani. Akukhulunywa ngawo. Like ama cartels. Ngathi uzofa bokala ukhuluma ngama politicians. Yeah, mele usabe. Mfethu abantu abamnyama they call the name of border. Say we don't want AFW border. We don't want the branch. Why today we cannot say we don't want Malema? We don't want Fikile Mbalula. Why we cannot say that? Because they want to bully us. We are being bullied. We are living in a country of dictatorship but unaware. Psychologically it's happening. If you don't see that is happening, look at what is happening on Madlanga Commission. Itsotse bekumele ukuthi ziphandele umkonti. Zenzani namhlanje? Ziyenza sure ukuthi umkonti uba dry uba i-desert. Sirelaya kubo. Yeah, sirelaya kubo. Depende kubo. And then thina mina siphile ngama-trans, mina siphile ngani. Kwamanye ama-country mfethu abantu they earn, they live. You understand? Like those are basic things. Sivalelwa amanzi, asinakuthathela ugesi, kunama-drugs kudlula amakipkipe ey'trateni, uyabona ukuthi yini udaki wenzani osikhombayo. Why ucabanga ukuthi angeke somkhombe back? Yabona mina ngiyakutshela mina manje it is time for South African black people to stand up against this black government, and then let's do what we are capable of doing. Let's take it to the streets
for once.
Yeah, because angeke sizwe ngale ibhara. Yeah, like if we die, we die. Freedom is going to come on an expense of the blood of our people. If nabo le freedom aba enjoy yayo kwachitheka igazi labantu abamnyama, nathi to remove them, it must happen the same way. Because you cannot sit here and clap for them and bele sibagossipa kuma WhatsApp group or sibagossipa kuphi. These are people, they are touchable just like us. Akunabhara ezoncengwa because of uyi-honorable eParliament. Mamanesana ama-feelings abo le kuma-political party. But when it comes to the street, we shall defend the street.
Ukhumbuza umzulelo mama uthi yena izolo. Ayizolo kumbuyiseni indlozi. Unkosazana Zuma. Athi Chitun Buiseni yambuzo ukuthi ayithi she was supposed to be elected as a deputy
Yeah.
ANC. So uyabuza ukuthi ufele kanjani? Uthi I don't know. What I know is Mbalula was dishing out money in my clinic live. Athi there's an ANC member bekahle ne-500 million cash endlini.
Imagine.
Day before my election. There were such things. So like even nombuzweni yambuza ukuthi manje usahleli nalabantu usasebenza nalabo bantu labo nawe like uzubona ukuthi
Ayikho into ehlanganayo.
sisejive.
No, brother.
So yeah,
Yeah.
it is what it is. You know, it's sad the party also as generation yokuba makhotmane country. We cannot allow a guy like Julius Malema to bully us. Not for any reason. Not for cabanga ukuthi unemali, sazihleve estradini thina. Sazizinja amadela kufa. So there's no way we can be bullied by that young man for no reason. And to my G namanye ama-gents that feels like, you know, it's we sisonke machimbos. You understand?
Let's not allow here.
There's no politician that will undermine you. And
we keep
sithule
quiet,
nje,
yeah.
sibheke nje. We reject that statement, you know, like ibhlungu lento leyo ukuthi sikhonjwe yibhari.
Because MacG done a lot than EFF.
Exactly.
For 13 years.
Yeah, also ibhlungu lento ukuthi sikhonjwe yibhari because singama politician. Ibhlungu. Because if besestradini kube some rap. Ngithola like ngestradi. Manje ukuthi nje honorable mara isipha nje se
Mara ufuna uku-emphasize lento eringile Dakrey ukuthi people should wake up guys. Like lento emention ukuthi why ku-EFF hleli khuluma imali akuvela omunye umuntu.
angeke.
No,
Okay.
reason why ngifuna ukuthi emphasize ukuthi abantu ababheke man. People should wake up. ukuthi,
Yeah.
Like ikhona nje SGUFF.
Ngazi mina bengihleli kasongo.
uJomo Sono wenza
Yeah,
yonke.
bengakhuluma sakakhulumisa nencosi yakhe. Last time wabona no.
ngayibona
Yeah,
ukhulumisa
yabona
nencosi
ukuthi
yakhe.
pushwa yipi agenda manje.
Mara ngathi yelabo ubone noZuma uhlohle
Incosi yakhe bayafana. Yeah, it's about self enrichment, but also the pain. It's the same thing, you know, going back to art, you know. Most officials, government officials and politicians, they are using art and artists because when you listen ukuthi bebakhuluma ngale mali le yokufanda ama-artist, bakhuluma ngayo as it's something ekumele iyo assista abantu abasokolayo. Seyinobusympathy nyana. No, akusilo yona. It's an aid that's supposed to help those who need to start, who are already in that journey.
Yeah, we are trying.
Yeah, so it's a foundation. It must just lay the foundation. You understand? Yeah, so the concept. That is why we need to revise the policies, the white paper. That is why we need politicians. They cannot sit there alone and decide for us ukuthi ama policies ethumela mekanjani. They should not consult with only people abayegele and come to us sebana ama policies. We are bound by document and policies that we don't know ukuthi afikelele kanjani kuleyo nto le. There's a guy at KZN edlala uMaskandi edlala igitha. They can't score that music. But that music ungajayivisa abantu stadium. So what are you saying? So we sifuna ukupreserve heritage ne art yethu the way we want, because these American or European ideologies, they don't fit when it comes to us as South African. And remember, the law that South Africa uses against us, it's the same law that oppressed them at some point. So there's no way the language of the oppressor will free us as slaves. So those abafile ngathi bona, they want to sound like the masters. They want to sound like those who oppressed us. It's fine. Tina, the very same way when 1976 we rejected the language of the oppressor, We are doing the same thing now. We are rejecting the system of the oppressor.
Brother, thank you so much for coming. See you next time. I really appreciate your
Yeah.
opinion. It's been a great one. Shout out to Sophia Networks for sponsoring the episode. It's www.sophianetwork.africa. If their website is going to be there below on the description. Thank you so much. Check them out and get that RE. So yeah, we out, James.